Welcome everyone, my name is Brock McNinch. I'm an admission counselor here at Monmouth College, and we are in the admission office right now getting ready to start your campus tour. Welcome to the CSB. This is the Center for Science and Business. This is home to many classrooms, lab spaces, and of course professors' offices. With an average class size of just 12 students, Patty Auditorium here is our largest lecture hall on campus. In the CSB, we have plenty of labs and equipment available, including Ellie, the CNC machine behind me for our new engineering program, a neuroscience lab for that new program, a cadaver lab for our health sciences, telescope on the roof for astronomy, and plenty of other labs within chemistry, biology, psychology, and anything else you need. Welcome to the Huff Athletic Center, home to our Fighting Scots. On campus, we have 24 different varsity athletic programs, along with intramural sports. And within this building itself, we have our basketball gym, pool, and indoor track, along with our fitness center open to all students. Here we are in front of Wallace Hall. This is where our favorite tradition on campus takes place. You begin your 4-year journey here during our matriculation ceremony, and 4 years later, you walk across those steps, graduating. Inside Wallace Hall here, we have classes ranging from educational studies to communication studies and classics. We also have a full student-run TV and radio station. Welcome to McMichael Academic Hall, home to our visual arts and modern languages programs. In this building, we have a ceramic studio, a foundry, graphic design labs, along with classrooms for our modern languages. And this is a great place for all of our students to get creative. Welcome to Wells Theater, home of the Monmouth College Theater program. All of our students on campus have the opportunity to participate both on stage and behind the scenes in programs throughout the year, including plays and musicals. Here we are in the Stockdale Center, home to our main dining hall, which is all-you-can-eat buffet style. We also have 2 other dining locations in here, and this is the home of all of our student programming. Here we are in Hughes Library, home to the ACE, our Academic and Career Excellence Center. We also have Einstein's Bagels and all of the cozy study space you need. Thank you so much for coming along on this tour with me. Hopefully next time we can do this in person, and I look forward to seeing you on campus soon.